Welcome back to Swat&Vee Immigration News. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get into the video. The Build Back Better Act (BBB) passed the House of Representatives on November 18, 2021, and now awaits action in the Senate. The text of the Build Back Better Act is introduced in the House of Representatives, includes language to recapture unused visa numbers for family and employment-based green card applicants waiting in backlogs. According to congressional staff, more than 400,000 family and employment-based visa numbers are likely available for recapture. These unused visa members were authorized by law to be allocated in previous years, but were never issued to any immigrants, often due to the government's inability to timely process the applications. Under law, unused immigrant visa numbers are supposed to roll over to the following year. However, because of the faulty formula used to calculate annual limits on green cards, many of these visa numbers are instead lost forever. The legislation would not increase green card numbers, nor would it make anyone eligible for a green card who does not already qualify. It would simply ensure that visa numbers authorized in previous years are accounted for and untimely used. It would also correct the legislative formula to ensure that all future visa numbers are actually used. Let's know how else would the Build Back Better Act reduce green card backlogs. The Build Back Better Act would allow applicants seeking to adjust their status from within the US to advance the green card process with early filing in CAP exemptions, further mitigating the harm of the backlogs. Under current law, green card applicants in the US have to wait for a visa number to be available to file to adjust their status. Because of extensive backlogs, this could take many years after the initial application is filed. In the meantime, the ability to travel abroad or to advance their career by changing jobs or employers is seriously restricted, and their families' immigration benefits may be impacted. BBB would allow such immigrants to further green card application early, even if a visa member were not immediately available. Early filing would require an additional fee of $1,500. With early filing, these individuals would get many of the benefits of adjusting status, such as a portable work permit and travel authorization, and would not be limited for decades by their temporary visa status. BBB would also allow some applicants to expedite the process of exempting them from numerical limits on green cards, including per country limits if they had been waiting for more than 2 years after applying. This would require an additional fee, $2,500 for family-based, $5,000 for employment-based, who would benefit from recapturing and backlog reduction. The Build Back Better Act significantly benefits many individuals and their families waiting in green card backlogs. Upwards of 9 million people are waiting in green card backlogs, including roughly 5.3 million applicants simply waiting for an available visa number. These include millions of individuals who have been waiting outside the US to reunite with their US citizen or permanent resident family members. The majority of employment-based immigrants and their families are already living and working in the US on temporary visas. They have waited many years to receive their green cards, and the wait times for workers and families applying today could exceed 50 years. Expediting the process for certain immigrants would provide them with more control over their careers and their family with more certainty about their future in the US. Recapture and backlog reduction could also benefit recipients of other immigration relief provisions in BB. With relief via visa parole, some immigrants may become eligible to adjust status. Reducing backlogs and expediting the process will help ensure that this pathway is a real and viable one for those who benefit from the relief provisions. However, this legislation would reduce backlogs, increase insufficiency, and restore fairness in the immigration system. Reducing wait times for immigrants applying to enter the US and providing more flexibility for workers already here could even assist in alleviating some labor labor shortages in 2022. It would keep millions of families together and help US businesses retain talent, and it would help ensure that the other immigration relief provisions are successful and beneficial as possible. Please share this information with family and friends who may need it. You can also help us spread the message by sharing it on all social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!